Hi, this is Bob Phillips, Managing Principal of Spectrum Management Group, and we're here today to provide some advice on how to exclude part of the gain on selling your home, even if you rented it for part-time. In the tax code, there are two exemptions for selling your personal residence. And these are special exemptions for personal homes only. It's $250,000 of gain on a single person's house. And for a married couple, it can be up to $500,000. Now, it's not an unusual circumstance that somebody could own a home, live in it for a few years, and then be moved away because of a job but want to keep the house and rent it out, and then move back to it later. And there's often confusion when they then sell it because they rented it part of the time. Do they have to pay tax on the entire gain? And we're here to tell you that you don't. Now, it's a relatively complex calculation, but it depends upon the number of days that you own the home. And some of the primary rules are that you have to own the home, you have to have lived in the home for at least 2 years out of the last 5. And if you have done that, even though you rented it part-time, you can exclude part of that gain. I provided an example from the IRS publication number 523, and you'll find how to access that publication on the slide that's attached, or that's part of our video here. And calculation-wise, I have an example that straight from the IRS book that shows an assumed sales price of a home, works you through what the gain's going to be. There's a calculation of the days that you lived in the home versus owned the home. As you can see, the bottom line is these people ended up paying tax on only 8% of the entire gain. Were able to exclude a large part of the gain. So the point is, if you do have that circumstance or you rent the home part-time, you can really have a nice tax benefit from keeping rental income with some tax shelter and then shelter the gain as well. This is Bob Phillips, Managing Principal of Spectrum Management Group. Thanks for watching.